Alright, YouTube. You guys seen that first video, just showing some shit. You guys really couldn't see much of anything real good. The 1998 Pontiac Grand AM. And show a little bit of, maybe a little bit of flex if this camera can actually see it. Second. I'll put it on my level. Wanted to get to it. Running a JVC head unit. And 2 cheapy subs. Boss is in. I mean, Boss is pretty good, so. Oh, it's the shit. Sony xplod, 1200 watts, max, 375 watts RMS, 12-inch dual-voice coil box audio, phantom sub, max, 1000 RMS, oldschool Baja 4-channel amp. Sony's running on 1 channel. Boss is actually running on 2 channels. They're bridged off right now. Running 8-gauge wire for my amp and everything. I'm going to probably upgrade to 0 gauge.